Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you this is a THINKSCAN engine diagnostic full scanner. So guys, this is my first time to have a full system scanner, but I already have to use this in my work, my company as a automotive mechanic. So this is my very first time to have this phone. So just now arrived this one, so now we will unbox this one guys. Still I didn't see what's inside, so now we'll check this one. I don't know what is inside guys. I bought this from AliExpress for special sales. This is $299. So this is the one guys, THINKSCAN. This is the one. Brake fluid tester also. This is a free for a special. Oh, there's a special guys. Special gift. There's a surprise. This is a brake fluid tester, brake fluid analyzer. So this is a very nice. First time guys to have this. So now this is the one. Okay, this is the one. A THINKCAR with a box, handbag. Oh yes, this is the one. This is a dangle that you have to place on the OBD port on your car. This is the one. This is a power switch. It's a manual. Oh, this is a manual guys. So this is a very thick manual, so you have to read this. A socket when you charge it, or this one. Charging system for the USB cable. This is the one. This one. I'm very good guys. I'm satisfied for this. Password letter. Very good guys, very good. So this is our input for a USB input. Yes, now it's time to open. This is the one. There is a serial number here, the model, THINKCAR, serial number also, which is very good guys. Yes, this is a language settings, English check. Okay, so there's a Wi-Fi also. Okay, you have to set the Wi-Fi. Okay, now it's connecting. Time zone we are here in Bahrain. So still I didn't find this one. There is no Middle East. All Asian, Pacific, Guam, Asia, Australia. Europe, Africa, European, Asian, Africa win. Okay, just put this one on Asian. Next. So we have to search this one. Asian or Kuwait. Kuwait is the part of the Middle East, including Bahrain, Saudi Arabia. So that is okay. Next. Agree to the above. Okay. Next. Okay. Email address. Okay. So the password. Password, guys. So this is the full settings, guys. Log in. Still not registered yet. So we have to register.